Hello everyone, my name is Sethi. I hope you all are staying healthy. Today we are going to talk about derivation of demand curve and indifference curve from revealed preference theory. This theory given by Paul Samuelson in 1938. According to this theory, consumers can reveal their preferences through their purchasing power. According to this theory, consumers can reveal their preferences through their purchasing power. X good, Y good, budget line, combination below budget line are inferior, so consumer will not choose it. Combination above budget line is beyond the reach of consumer cannot afford this. Consumer can afford all combination which lies on their budget line. That means consumer can afford A and B combination. If consumer choose A combination over B, that means consumer has revealed it, they prefer A over B. So we can say that according to this theory, consumers can reveal their preferences through their purchasing power. Now we will see derivation of demand curve from revealed preference in very simple way. X good, Y good. This one is our original budget line. A, B is our original budget line. Z original equilibrium point where we are buying this much of good X. Now suppose price of X fall, that's why budget line rotate outward. So AC is our new budget line. N is new equilibrium point where consumer buying more of X because now X become cheaper. In order to isolate substitution effect, we take some money away from consumer. That's why this dotted line is our new budget line. This A dash, B dash dotted line shows our new budget line. W is our new equilibrium point. Here you can see, despite of losing some money, consumer still buying more quantities of X as compared to earlier because now X become cheaper. In short, we can say that when price of commodity fall, consumer naturally buy more quantities of goods. We are going to drive demand curve. Where is our demand curve? Same thing we will show in this diagram. When price of X is OP, we were buying this much of X. But as price fall, we increase quantities of X. Now we are buying this much of X. When we join all these 2 points, we will receive our DD demand curve. Derivation of indifference curve from revealed preference. X good, Y good. This is our budget line. Combination below budget line are inferior. So this will be called inferior zone. This is preferred zone. This zone gives us more satisfaction, more utility, but we cannot afford this. Neither we have equilibrium on inferior zone, nor we have equilibrium on preferred zone. Our equilibrium lies on our budget line. These are ignorance zone. We can drive indifference curve by reducing these ignorance zone. We can reduce ignorance zone by making continuous change in price. When we continue change our price, our budget line also rotate. So here you can see rotation in budget line and we have new preferred area. Here you can see some point like D, A, B, C. When we join all this point, we will receive one offer curve F. This offer curve define location and shape of indifference curve. So, in short, FF represent our indifference curve. So, by this way, we can drive indifference curve from revealed preference. So, this is all about today's video. I think you got it and thank you so much for watching this video. Bye. Take care.